In 2026, Samsung continues to strengthen its position in the budget 5G smartphone segment. One of its newest releases is the Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G, a smartphone designed to deliver reliable performance, long battery life, and modern features at an affordable price. This device comes with a large display, a massive battery, a capable 50-megapixel camera, and a powerful 5G chipset, making it a strong contender for users who want a balanced smartphone experience without spending too much. But is the Galaxy F70e 5G actually worth buying? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into its design, display, performance, camera system, battery life, software, and overall value to see whether this phone truly stands out in the competitive budget smartphone market. Starting with the design, the Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G offers a modern and minimalistic appearance. The phone features a slim body measuring around 8.2 millimeters in thickness and weighs approximately 199 grams, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods. Samsung has given this device a stylish back panel with a premium finish that looks clean and elegant. The camera module is neatly integrated into the rear design, giving the phone a modern aesthetic that resembles higher-end Samsung devices. The phone is available in several attractive colors, such as Spotlight Blue and Limelight Green, allowing users to choose a style that fits their personality. Overall, despite being a budget device, the Galaxy F70e 5G still delivers a design that feels premium and well-crafted. Moving on to the display, the Galaxy F70e 5G features a 6.7-inch HD+ display that provides a large viewing area for entertainment, social media, and gaming. The display supports a 120 Hz refresh rate, allowing smoother scrolling and more responsive interactions across the interface. While the resolution is HD+, the large screen size still delivers an enjoyable viewing experience for watching videos, browsing content, or multitasking. The display also offers vibrant colors and good brightness levels, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Overall, the Galaxy F70e 5G provides a large and smooth display experience that is quite impressive for a budget 5G smartphone. Under the hood, the Galaxy F70e 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, an octa-core chipset designed for efficient performance and reliable 5G connectivity. The processor is paired with 4 GB or 6 GB of RAM, along with 128 GB of internal storage, which can also be expanded via a micro SD card. This combination allows the device to handle everyday tasks such as social media, video streaming, messaging, and multitasking smoothly. For gaming, the Mali G57 GPU provides decent graphics performance, making it capable of running many popular mobile games at moderate settings. Overall, the Galaxy F70e 5G offers stable performance suitable for everyday users. In terms of photography, the Galaxy F70e 5G comes equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera paired with a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The main camera captures detailed photos with good color reproduction and dynamic range in well-lit conditions. The depth sensor helps create natural-looking portrait shots with background blur. On the front, the device features an 8-megapixel selfie camera, which supports facial enhancement features for clearer and more polished selfies. For video recording, the camera supports Full HD recording, which is more than sufficient for casual video creation and social media content. One of the biggest highlights of the Galaxy F70e 5G is the massive 6,000 mAh battery. This large battery allows the phone to easily last more than a full day of usage, even with heavy activities such as streaming, gaming, and browsing. The device also supports 25-watt fast charging, allowing users to recharge the battery relatively quickly. For users who prioritize long battery life, this is one of the strongest selling points of the Galaxy F70e 5G. The Galaxy F70e 5G runs on Android 16 with Samsung's One UI interface, offering a clean and user-friendly software experience. Samsung also promises long-term software support, including multiple years of updates and security patches. Other features include 5G connectivity, side fingerprint sensor, Bluetooth 5, dual SIM support, and GPS and multiple satellite navigation systems. These features make the device practical and reliable for everyday use. So, is the Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G worth buying? For users looking for a budget 5G smartphone with a large battery, smooth display, and reliable performance, the Galaxy F70e 5G is definitely a strong option. It may not have flagship-level features, but it offers a balanced combination of performance, camera capability, and battery life at an accessible price. If your priorities are battery endurance, modern connectivity, and everyday usability, the Galaxy F70e 5G is a device worth considering in 2026. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.